Do you want to quickly hide and then unhide individual or even group chats on Snapchat? It's basically archiving and unarchiving without deleting the threads to keep your chats more private in time of need. So to do that, launch the app, go to the chat section, and press and hold over the thread that you want to hide. From this pop-up, just go to chat and notification settings, and then hit this red clear from chat feed option at the top. As you can see, this will just archive it, hide it, this won't delete anything. Just tap on clear. The entire thread will be hidden instantly. Now next time, if you want to take a look at the message, tap over this search icon, write down their display username or the group name, whatever you've hidden, and just tap on their name or the group name when it appears. And as you can see, you can access this thread once again. And also, if they or you send a new message, the thread will be unarchived, unhidden, and appear once again in the chat section. That's it for today. Take care.